My name is Frel and I studied access to social work. So being an adult learner, I was definitely hesitant about coming back to education. I wasn't sure what I was doing, but thankfully knowing that I wasn't the only one on the course that was an adult and we were all in the same boat, we were all wanting to progress, that most definitely helped me. I needed extra credits to get onto the university course and Cardiff and Vale College offered me that opportunity. The course is easygoing, the lecturers are there, they're really helpful. If you need anything, the college is there to support. I chose the course because it offered smaller classroom sizes due to the site that it was on. So we had a more personalised experience and we were able to build closer relationships with the tutors and help me complete the course. The application process was really easy. Any support that you needed, the college was there, whether that was via web chat or phone. It was great to know that my lecturer was an ex-social worker, therefore he understood the struggles but also the qualities that you need to be successful in that job. Once I completed my university degree, I hope to then become a social worker within social services and work my way up there.